Hello everyone, Arlene Mendez, and I'm back with our finished product, which is the Red Velvet Cupcake. And as you can see here, the big containers I was talking to you about earlier, and this is the outcome now. I put walnuts in it, so that's why the top of it is not very smooth because of the walnuts, but this, I assure you, this tastes good. And what we can do too for the kids is usually the kids like sweeter stuff than us. And what we can do is also add cream on top of the cupcake. So you can either do the vanilla frosting or also the cream cheese buttercream, which is I'm going to show you next time how to do it. So this is just what you do here. You spread it, and if you are going to present this or give it to a party, what you can do, you can put the cream or the frosting in a pipe and then just pipe it around here to make it prettier. So this is the baking for tonight, and I hope to see you again. So let's do something else also next week. Okay, and have a good day to everyone. Bye.